Hi, I am PixelPia. Today we are going to continue working on our TikTok, and more specifically we're going to take a look at some settings that I recommend that you change when you first start using the app. So let's put my phone screen up here next to me and take a look. So here we are, and once again we're working on my iPhone, but this will also work the same way if we're using an Android phone. So let's start by open our TikTok and click on profile down in the bottom right. Up in the right, we click on the three lines up there and choose settings and privacy. Let's scroll all the way down to the bottom where we have the about section. Yesterday when we set up our account, we didn't look at terms of service, for example. You can find them down here. If we scroll back up here under settings and privacy, there are a couple of things I suggest that you do when you start on TikTok, and the first is under privacy. Here we have private account, as you can see. I can turn that on, and what this means is that only people that are friends with me on TikTok can see my activity. So only users that I have approved have access to what I do on my TikTok. I can sync my contacts and Facebook friends here. Personalization and data has to do with ads. I can let TikTok use information about me to personalize my ads. I can request to get all my different data here downloaded. I request it as first, and then it will show up here under download data as soon as my request is fulfilled. Under downloads, if you have video downloads clicked on like this allow other people to download your videos and share download to other platforms. If this setting is off, a link to your video can still be shared, but they can't download the video itself. Under comments, you can decide who can comment on your videos. I have filter spam and offensive comments. I have the general TikTok suggestions, but filter keywords. You can add your own list of keywords that you want blocked on your TikToks. And under mention and tags, as I said, here you can control who can mention you and who can tag you. So that was under privacy. I think you should spend some time here and set up your account the way you really want it. Now we go to security and log in. The first part here is if you have any security alerts. You can also manage devices. Maybe you log in from your computer, from your phone, and maybe a tablet. All of them will show up here and when they were logged in. And you can manage app authorization if you use different third-party apps. You can also set up a two-step verification, which I recommend. I have chosen to save the login information on this specific device. So those are the settings I recommend that you really take a look at before you start uploading anything to your TikTok. Tomorrow I'm gonna take a general look at the interface where you can find different functions and how you can use the app very much as a user. Next week I will get into a little bit more about creating videos for TikTok. This week we focus on using it as a viewer. I hope that was enough information for you to feel that it's safe to use TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. And I hope you will come back tomorrow when we will take a more detailed look at the interface, at the app, and how you can use it. Hej då!